today we're gonna go to Melaka, and I already went to Melaka alone, only with my family, but this time I'm gonna have two mystery friends. The first mystery friend, he's Siam. He's my friend, and he was mentioned in the Radang video. And by the way, if you did not see the Radang video, pause this video, watch it. And the second mystery friend will come later in the video. Lots of fun. And when you're not gonna straight go to a resort, you're gonna first go to the zoo. And this is my ticket. Guys, now the fun part is gonna begin. We are leaving. So you guys, come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Bye, guys. Pit stop. A pit stop is like a stop for eating snacks, and I remember I mentioned about Siam. Here he is. Hello, viewers. So he's very excited to go to Melaka, and the other mystery friend you'll meet him in the hotel. So I'm gonna fast forward this video because it's kind of boring. Say hello there. Say hello there. The R&R is under construction, so we are moving on. So guys, we were just eating in a restaurant, and then we just finished eating, and I was not eating ice cream because I was full, so now we're gonna leave. I really want to show you guys, so it's not in the hotel. I'm gonna show you in the car. So my mystery friend name is Hamza. Yes. My name is Muhammad Hamza. After a long drive of 2 hours, we finally reached Afamosa. So guys, we're gonna go to the main entrance of the zoo. Actually, you know there's a water park and a zoo mixed together, but we don't have tickets to water park. We have tickets to a different water park, and of course, I'm gonna do a video of that water park. But now, we're just gonna do the zoo. So here's the zoo, the main entrance. Some stuff here, and like that's the water theme park over there. But we are gonna go to the zoo. We're just swimming. So pretty. You guys try that. You guys try that. So pretty. Feels weird. What is this? A pile of a snake. A snake pile. Salty water, that's me. And there's a cute one. Oh, guys, look what I found. That's not alive, guys. Don't worry. That thing's not alive. It just painted. Like a little statue. See? See?
Oh, I saw this now.
Like that they just
So
jump.
smooth, right?
Yes, like that they jump and escape. That's how that one escaped. Look here, guys. There is a chimpanzee. Now I'm going to see a multi-animal show and a bird show.
Now, and everybody, please focus on you. Oh, here we come, our Mickey. Isn't it? Okay, one of the very smart mammal, ya, mamalia yang pintar. Rusa Timur, okay?
Now we are in a bird show.
Raising up our national flag. Okay, come on, Steven, block the screen. There is a quarterway club game. Keep going more. So yes, good. And there it goes. Officially. Okay. Sweeper. Coming right now. Speed. Oh. And fire. Right. Here is red and sky. Five brothers. Open up the bean and you're going to put it into the dustbin. Alright. Let me try to show it here. Of course, they're very good. Using the shark to feed the daily life. Okay,
There is so many fun shows to see. So cool.
Okay. One more time once again and go. There it goes up right now to the front. Through the first and it's all the way. Through the second. Last one coming right now. Well done. Thank you very much. Oh. So, ladies and gentlemen, the next grand finale of our colors of the world is up to you enjoy. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye-bye, everybody. Thank you very much.
All the shows were so fun, but sadly, they're done. So now I'm gonna go to an elephant and watch it. I wanted to go elephant riding, but then the tickets were too expensive. Per person is 75 ringgit. That's so much, right? We're gonna go on this boat. After people, we are gonna go. And by the way, it's not just a little ground. It's gonna be on the monkey. So we are on the monkey island. There you can find. I think they're babies. Yeah, they look like babies to me. Guys, I'm so sad that we have to leave now, but at least it was so fun. And I tried to give my hand to the monkey. The monkey almost went on my hand, but I was too scared and moved it. Ah, monkey! Guys, look behind you! Guys, look behind you! There's something! That's kind of sad. We have to leave the monkey island. Ducky island, actually, because there's more ducks. Let's go!
Once the boat stops, we can.
So much fun now. Like after the boat, everyone got a bit hungry, so we got some snacks. There's watermelon, or do you say muskmelon? Watermelon, muskmelon, apple, green apple. Here's the green apple. And here is the normal apple. You see it, you like all the time, red apples. Green apples are very sour, but still apples. Don't worry. Now we are in another show called Wild Wild West.
Hey, stand over there. Hey, what do you want, man? What are you driving? Do you know? Hello, who are you? Man? Yeah. What?
Only if the lion jumps inside the trap, then we'll be not safe. Guys, the line was so long, but it was so good to wait. So now then the bus is here, then the bus is so the bus is not moving. Okay. Now I feel like it's gonna move, but it's not like we're gonna go around the zoo with the animals in the cage. They'll be out of the cage, like roaming on the streets. That'll be so exciting. If you just like put food like this, they'll all attack each other to get the food. That'll be so funny. But it'll be sad for animals, but funny for us to watch. So waiting is kind of boring, but at least we're sitting down.
Even is reindeer. Reindeer are known as the produce the horns are the male and without the horns. Camel is 15 to 25 years.
Victor just said we're gonna go inside Jurassic Park. But Jurassic
Right
Park.
here you can see on the right side that is the elephant.
Cages.
That is elephant can give birth to one single young and the lifespan is around 70 to 80 years. These Asian countries like Cambodia and Vietnam. These are the young crocodiles that is below 2 years. The crocodiles like to stay at the surface of the pond during the day and basking under the sun. 5 to 6 feet long. And lifespan for these crocodiles is about 15 to 60 years. Yang buaya duduk di sini ialah yang social,
Yes, so right.
yang ni cerah jantan.
God, we're gonna enter the lion cage now. It's gonna be so funny. If you put your hand just like that, the lion will like attack your hand, like finish your hand off. It'll be so fun. But finishing your hand is not fun, but seeing the lions are fun. My penguin is agreed, right, penguin? He definitely agreed with me. I do agree with my friend.
Okay, on the left you can see where these African lions. Here we have 3 numbers of these lions, with 2 female and 1 male. And these animals are known as social animals, which means they can stay in a group of more than 5 to 6 numbers. The female on the white lioness is the name is Kiki, with 2 cubs, Japan. The Malayan tiger is one of the smallest species of tiger. This tiger's name is Soya. Africa. This animal is known to one of the fastest animals,
You saw a leopard.
which means it can run very, very fast and leap very high. And also very active during the night, hunting for food in the deep forest. This tiger is almost 10 years old. It's known as Chengan, Chengan.
The bus is like smooth, like changing here and there. I'm jumping a lot. Idea to see where we are located. Here's my map. You can see here our map. The first side is the map.
And these all seals origin from South Africa.
Guys, my father told me just now, like the driver's gonna leave us in the jungle. Do you think the lion will catch us? That must be a joke. That has to be a joke, right? Whoever thinks it's a joke, subscribe. If you think it's real, hit the like button. It's really gonna happen. And later, we'll find out. Guys, actually, you can see I'm outside of the bus, but he did not leave us in the jungle. He just left us to look at the hippos right here. Aren't they so mysterious to me? To me, the hippos look so mysterious, like unknown creatures. They feel like unknown creatures to me. They're like mysterious, hiding in the shadows, not seen by anybody. That feels like mysterious. Feels mysterious to me. I don't like those anymore. I'm just going back to the bus now because there's nothing else to see. Let's go quickly before the bus leaves without us. Hurry up, or the bus will leave you. Come on. We're done with our Lion Safari, you can see here. So I hope I'll see you next time. I'll miss you so much. Of course, I'm gonna make more videos for you and me to have lots of fun. So you can see the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for the like and have a nice day.
Bye.
See you all again.